The police is seeking the public's assistance to locate the family of an elderly woman found wandering in Central Village. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV News Report, and we'll be right back with the full and exclusive details to come. Welcome to Links 007 TV News Report, providing you with the best in local and international news updates. This is a place where you can get the most reliable and informative news information. Links 007 TV News Report. Welcome back and thanks for joining us. This is Links 007 TV News Report. The Central Village Police are seeking the public's assistance to reunite the family of this woman who was found wandering in Union Estate, Central Village, St. Catherine on Saturday, October 14. Reports are that at around 1:15 a.m., she was seen in the area and taken to the station. She gave her name as Angela Leslie, however, she is unable to give the police her address where she resides. Anyone with information that can assist the police in reuniting Angela Leslie with her family is being asked to contact the Central Village Police at 876-984-2644, 119 Police Emergency Number, or the nearest police station. This has been Links 007 TV News Report. Thanks for watching.